Welcome to, or welcome back to, Mow, Sow, and Grow. My name is Luke. Today I'm going to cut down this ash tree, another dead ash tree over there, and a few unwanted honey locust. After that I'm going to buck up some rounds and split some firewood. So come along. Well, that's the ash tree right there, and oh no, it's probably 40 feet tall. Probably gonna get hung up in this oak right here, and hopefully not hung up in this pine over here. So we'll see. All right.
I still need 500 or so subscribers to be able to monetize this channel, so please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. How do you guys deal with trees that get hung up like this? All of these trees have been killed by emerald ash borer. Do you guys have any ash trees left? What do you think I should do with the stumps? Cut them flush, use it as a base for bird houses, or try my hand at chainsaw carving? Let me know in the comments.
Next on the list is this dead ash right here. It's in between like 4 junipers, or eastern red cedars. Eastern red cedar is a juniper. Anyway, I'm gonna have a hard time getting this thing down without crushing something. So we'll see what happens. So I think I'm gonna drop it towards the camera here as best I can, gapping all those eastern red cedars. Hopefully it's not tall enough to crush the camera. Well, unfortunately, I think my camera ran out of space while I was recording this tree coming down. Oh well. It's down.
What happened, Luke?
Cut down a tree.
But your camera didn't capture it?
Probably not. I think I ran out of memory card space.
Damn! Well, you got it out of there. Yay!
That was a stubborn tree, man. Alright, so I gotta take down a couple trees. They're just tiny little guys, but this one, and this one, they all can go. So I'll move the tractor and come along with me.
What kind of saw are you guys running? I also cut down this tree off camera. But we'll pick it up on camera. Okay, this is the honey locust I'm going to cut down. I want to save this white oak. I'm going to stake it so it's straight later. But for now, I just don't want to crush it with the honey locust. So here goes nothing. I cut down 3 more honey locusts. This one was a little punky, and I just hate them. Hey, look, it's Annie and Bishop. Oh, look who it is! Hi, Bishop. How you doing, big dog? Oh yeah.
We're happy as more now.
Yeah. Oh! So Bishop had surgery. Oh boy. He's not going to sit still, I guess. Knee surgery. Still pretty weak, but he's healing. He's a good boy.
He can't keep the dog down. He wanted to come out so bad. He wanted to see you guys.
Yeah. He's a good dog.
I'm going to set this pile right here. I got a few more branches along here. This Homestead Grapple really makes it easy to sort material. Okay, I think that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for future videos, and if you're bored, go back and watch my old videos.